Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. But you can fix it by selecting this gear next to Password Manager, making sure that Offer to Save Password option is enabled, logging in to any of your apps, and tapping on Save in Google Autofill pop-up. Then your password will appear over here. Finally, to add any other one from those settings, click on the plus icon next to Search Passwords. Now you can input your site data or click on Select an app, and clicking on one of those apps. I want to add a password to my Messenger, so when I click, I can enter my username or email, password, and even some helpful notes. Then, to save all of those informations, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added to Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!